a flat iron here. This is from Brightup. This is a little different than a flat iron I've used before. This one is a vibrating flat iron, which I never used before, never heard before. Not really sure what to think about that, but it has natural volcanic mineral plates on it. It's got all kinds of interesting things I'm not really familiar with, but we're going to explore together. It has these two clips here and a hot glove. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I might. My hair is permanently straightened, but sometimes it picks up a little bit of wave, and you can see that. I did that because I could not manage my natural wave, and there is not enough product for my hair texture that's affordable, so I just said forget it. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and straighten it, and then I will give you my thoughts. I have a heat protectant. I'm going to put a heat protectant on my hair first. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section it a little bit, and yeah, I'm going to section it, yeah. Alright, so here is the flat iron. I have already turned it on. You can adjust the heat up if you want. I think my other one is... yeah, I think I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. Let's get started. Okay, so my hair is done. I think that looks really good, and it does look shinier. You see that with the, when I wave it around a little bit, it does look shinier, it does look smoother. So I do think I like the results. It didn't take long, I didn't need much, but again, my hair's already mostly straight, so I don't really know if you have curly hair or not, how long it would take. Mine is naturally wavy and curly, so I can't really tell you too much, because I did straighten it, permanently straighten it. What I can say is the vibrating plates, so that's what it is. They're vibrating plates, and they vibrate so subtle that you won't notice it. It doesn't seem to impact how you use it at all or anything like that, so I don't have any complaints about that. I actually feel like that actually was very helpful, but took less than 10 minutes to do my hair. I'm very pleased with it. I do recommend this. I think it's an affordable flat iron that really does do an excellent job.